Hey there, Laser Dave here to show you another exciting laser hack from Trotec Laser. Have you ever had the need to pick up small parts from your vector grid or cutting table after you're done or finished cutting them? Well, I'm going to show you today a simple laser hack using a lint roller just to pick up those parts. Let me show you how.
This is a great laser hack for quickly removing those little bits and pieces that are left on the vector grid or cutting table after the laser has finished processing. Take a standard everyday lint roller and just roll it directly onto the honeycomb table, and you're able to pick up those bits and pieces quickly, effectively, and easily so that you can reset your laser system very quickly and efficiently to then continue to run, saving as much time as possible between jobs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, Laser Dave signing off.